Okay, good morning, students. Now, two letters are left with the chapter number 7, that is correspondence with debenture holders. Okay, now we'll see that letters one by one. First one is letter regarding conversion of debentures. Means we have explained you convertible debentures are issued by the company, and after given period of time, means the time is given for after 5 years, 10 years, this will be converted into equity shares. Okay, so now let's see in detail. So the letter is conversion of debentures. So convertible debentures are the debentures which are converted into equity shares on the expiry of specific period, means whatever it is period is given. Now in that, head address, name of the company ending with limited, registered office, then SIN number, phone, fax, email, website, email, then comes reference number, then comes date. Okay, inside address and subject. This one we need not go on explaining, that you have to understand yourself that how you have to write. Coming to the content part, because this you can use same, you can use difference in different letters. Coming to the content part. Now, dear sir, okay, because name is Mr. Mahesh Malpani. Okay, so first para, introduction to subject. I am directed to inform you that in accordance with the terms decided at the time of issue of 1,10% fully convertible debentures, the debentures are due for conversion. So what they say, कि I am directed to inform you. Who has directed? Board of Directors. To inform you, आपको बताने के लिए, that in accordance with the terms and decided, जो terms were decided at the time of issue, when company issued 1,10% fully convertible debentures. 10% means interest paid annually. So debentures are due for conversion, मतलब टाइम आ गया है उनको कन्वर्ट करने का. Okay, now second para what it says, in accordance with the above, in accordance with above, ऊपर के हिसाब से, a special resolution was passed by shareholders in extraordinary general meeting held on 25th May 2019. Okay, the letter is written on 5th July and the meeting is kept on 25th May. Means say about within 10 days. Yes, okay. So what it says, that special resolution was passed. Special resolution याद है, last year we have explained you, means 3/4 majority it requires. Okay, not 50%. So it was passed in a shareholders extraordinary general meeting, because special resolution can be passed by shareholders only. The directors cannot pass on themselves. Okay, so it can be passed in annual general meeting or extraordinary general meeting. Generally, these resolutions are passed in extraordinary general meeting. So it was held on 25th May 19. The approval of conversion of debentures into equity share in the ratio of 2:1. What it says, the approval of conversion, because what will happen now, the shareholders number will increase. Debentures who are borrowed capital, they get a fixed rate of interest, that will be cancelled now, and the partners will increase, because shareholders are the partners. So therefore the shareholders permission is required. So approval by the approval of conversion of debentures into equity share in ratio of 2:1 was approved. मतलब हर डिबेंचर होल्डर्स को 2 डिबेंचर के बदले 1 इक्विटी शेयर दिया जाएगा. ये होगा कन्वर्जन का लॉ. एज पर योर लेटर ऑफ ऑप्शन, आपको जो लेटर दिया था, लेटर ऑफ ऑप्शन इज गिवन दैट यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट और नॉट, because you may approve or not, like that. So as per the letter of option, you have been allotted 50 equity shares in lieu of 100 debentures. In lieu means in place of 100 debentures, you have been allotted 50 equity shares. Details of your holdings after conversion are as follows. Means आपका डिबेंचर इक्विटी में कन्वर्ट होने के बाद फॉलोस है. फोलियो नंबर 465, ये पेज नंबर, फोलियो नंबर भी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू. नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स हेल्ड 100 विच वर विथ यू, जो आपके साथ थे. देन नंबर ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर इशूड, इसके बदले 50 इक्विटी शेयर दिया जा रहा है. 2:1 द रेशियो इज 100 डिबेंचर्स यू आर हैविंग, सो 50 शेयर्स यू आर गेटिंग हियर. Distinctive number from 501 to 550. These numbers can be same or change. Share certificate 2219. Okay, share certificate भेजा जा रहा है इसको साथ में. Okay, so therefore share certificate number is this. Now the duly signed and executed share certificate is enclosed herewith. मतलब साइन किया हुआ और शेयर सर्टिफिकेट नया जो है इज इनक्लोज herewith. मतलब इनक्लोज का मतलब है इसके साथ में भेजना. Okay, so it is being sent to herewith. Debenture certificate will be null and void with effect from 25th May 2019. the day meeting was the resolution was passed, from that day the debenture certificate will be null and void. मतलब जो भी डिबेंचर होल्डर्स के हक थे वो 25 मई 2019 के पास ख़त्म हो जाएंगी. Dates may change, that you have to pay the attention. Full same you're writing, it's okay. Thanking you, yours faithfully, company's name, signature, company secretary, और यहाँ पे इंक्लोजर आएगा शेयर सर्टिफिकेट. शेयर सर्टिफिकेट नंबर 2219 इट इज़ गिवन एंड हियर इट इज़ गिवन दैट इट इज़ एनक्लोज हियर विथ, मतलब इसके साथ भेजा जा रहा है. ओके, सो दिस वाज द लेटर फॉर कन्वर्जन ऑफ डिबेंचर. Okay, and the last letter in this chapter is redemption of debentures. Means these debentures are redeemed by the company. Means redemption, we have explained you that redeemable it will be paid back. Okay, the company will be paying the money back and debentures will be taken back by the company. Okay, so letter of redemption debentures is issued to the debenture holder whose debentures are redeemed after the specific period. Means it is a borrowed capital, loan capital, so that has to be paid after certain period of time. जितना टाइम दिया है उसके बाद में पे किया जा रहा है. ओके, स्वस्तिक मार्बल कंपनी लिमिटेड, वी हैव टोल्ड यू कंपनी एंडिंग बाय लिमिटेड, रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस, सिन नंबर, फोन, फैक्स, ईमेल and website and email, reference number, date, then redemption of debentures. Still here you have to do on your own. It is not required to be explained every now. Starting the letter, dear madam, because name Mrs. is used. Dear madam, this is to inform you that 1,10% non-convertible debentures issued in May 2014. What it says कि this is to inform you, आपको बताया जा रहा है 10% which I told you is the annual interest they are going to pay. Non-convertible debentures issued in May 2014. Okay, so means it is given for nearly 5 years. Are due for resumption on 12th November 2019. Okay, on this date it will be redeemed. Means the period is finishing on 12th November 19. So we are according to the board resolution number 3462. Now what is this? Board meeting is kept, in that resolutions are passed. So the resolution number 3642 says in the board meeting they have passed a resolution. ये resolution पास किया है, passed at the board meeting held on 8 October 2019. 8 October 2019 को board meeting रखी गई. Remember, board meeting, not the shareholders meeting. The board meeting is kept whenever it is required, minimum 4 in a year. On 8th October, 10th October letter is written. So meeting was held on the 8th October. Debentures shall be redeemed out of the debenture redemption reserve fund of company. DDR, ये आपको पढ़ाया था डिबेंचर्स में, डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन DRR फंड, डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन रिजर्व फंड. तो उसके अंदर जो पैसा था उसमें से रिडम किया जाएगा. मीन्स पैसा पे करेंगे डिबेंचर होल्डर्स को. Please arrange to submit includes debenture redemption form along with the original debenture certificate to the company on or before 3rd November 2019. Means what they are saying, 3rd November 2019 तक DDR फॉर्म, मतलब डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन, सॉरी DR फॉर्म, डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन फॉर्म अलॉन्ग विद द शेयर डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट सबमिट टू द कंपनी. कंपनी को ये दोनों भेज दिया जाए कि जिसमें आप अप्रूव कर रहे हो कि आपका डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन फॉर्म आपका इतना नंबर था और सर्टिफिकेट के साथ में डिटेल्स में पे करेंगे 3rd November 19 तक. मीन्स सम टाइम इज़ गिवन आफ्टर द, मीन्स वी आर गिविंग नियरली 20 days, more than 20 days. On completion of above formalities, the debenture redemption amount will be credited to your bank account. ऊपर के सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज़ पूरा करेंगे. मीन्स दे विल चेक द फॉर्म, दे विल चेक द सर्टिफिकेट, दैट फॉर्म एंड सर्टिफिकेट आर इक्वली मैचिंग, सर्टिफिकेट विल बी डिस्ट्रॉयड एंड फॉर्म विल बी केप्ट. ओके, सो ऑन कंप्लीशन ऑफ अबव फॉर्मेलिटीज़ पूरा करने के बाद जो रिडेम्पशन अमाउंट है विल बी क्रेडिटेड टू योर बैंक अकाउंट, आपके बैंक अकाउंट में डाल दिया जाएगा. यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू प्रोवाइड योर बैंक अकाउंट्स डिटेल. थैंकिंग यू, योर्स फेथफुली. आप अपना बैंक अकाउंट डिटेल्स दीजिए. योर्स फेथफुली, कंपनीज नेम, सेक्रेटरी एंड एनक्लोजर विल बी डिबेंचर रिडेम्पशन फॉर्म. कंपनी का डिबेंचर रिडेम्पशन फॉर्म आपको पे कर दे भेज रहे हैं, विच इज़ दिस वन. सो दे आर सेंडिंग द फॉर्म, वी हैव टू सेंड द फॉर्म, फिल द फॉर्म अलॉन्ग विद द डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट बाय 3rd November. So after that they'll go through all the documents. Means they will scrutiny it out, पूरा देखेंगे और फॉर्मेलिटी पूरी करने में पूरा हो जाएगा कि जो फॉर्म आपने भर के दिया है और सर्टिफिकेट दो बोथ आर सेम. वॉट एवर द company is having record and you are asking them, it is same. After that it will be credited to the bank account. हमारे अकाउंट में पैसे आएंगे और आपको वो अकाउंट नंबर बताना है. It is same. Then also we have to give, if new we have to give. और इसके बाद में दिस अ फॉर्मेलिटी, थैंकिंग यू, योर्स फेथफुली, यहाँ तक हो गया. लास्ट में आएगा डिबेंचर रिडेम्पशन फॉर्म. मीन्स दिस फॉर्म दे आर सेंडिंग दैट यू हैव टू फिल एंड सेंड. ओके, so these are the letters for the debentures correspondence with the debenture holders. Okay, Now only one chapter is remaining, that is correspondence with the depositors, that we'll do in the we'll see when we are able to do it. Okay, thank you, goodbye, do the homework and study well.